Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Acceleration during a collision can look tricky, but this one breaks fast if you track force carefully and connect it straight to Newton's second law. According to Newton's second law, the block's acceleration points in the same direction as the net force, and while touching the sensor, that contact force pushes the block away from the wall. Because friction is negligible, the horizontal net force on the block is just the sensor's force, so the acceleration direction stays fixed, matching that single force during contact. From the force graph, the recorded force changes over time, so the acceleration magnitude also changes, which makes the correct choice option C. Well done. Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given force behavior and check each step before deciding acceleration.